Lech Lecha leGeula, Lech Lecha leGeula, Lech Lecha leGeula, Lech Lecha Moshiach bam. And God said to Abraham, Go forth from your land and from your birthplace and from your father's house to the land that I will show you. Dear brothers Shluchim, emissaries of King Moshiach, also known as Lubavitcher Rebbe, you were sent already on Shlichut mission not once but many times, in places which God have shown you. You finished your job of elevating all the sparks there with flying colors, according to the prophetic announcement of redemption of King Moshiach Lubavitcher Rebbe. Exactly 31 years ago, the prophet of our generation announced at the yearly gathering of Chabad emissaries from around the world that every Jew is a shliach and we all have new and final mission possible, to receive our righteous Mashiach in the true and complete redemption, in order that he should be able to fulfill his shlichut in actuality and bring all the Jews out of exile. God is telling you through his royal representative, King Moshiach, to open your eyes of Geula vision and go to yourself, meet the real you, your essence, the spark of Mashiach inside of you, so that you can go out of your inner exile, galut, from your familiar galut surroundings, from your galut duplicity mindset and dreamlike galut perception, to the redemption land saturated with Geula unity consciousness that I will show you. But for that you need to let go of your expectations, which are premeditated resentments, and let God show you the way, on his terms, not yours. When you leave behind all the galut gear, just like Avraham Avinu, our forefather, did, you'll be able to go to the Geula land, which is not a destination but a journey that only Almighty can show you. When you agree, desire, and proclaim that not only we reach the time of redemption, but Geula is here and now literally, just as King Moshiach announced, your eyes will open to see that the true and complete redemption is actually here and now in a simple sense.